Hello lovely people and welcome to my channel Be with Prachi. In my previous video, I had promised to share with you the affirmations I use to keep myself motivated. तो आपके मन में क्वेश्चन आया होगा कि what exactly are affirmations? Affirmations होते क्या है? Well, affirmations are statements or sentences that we say that is affirm to ourselves and to the universe for things that we're looking forward to in our life. Affirmations वो statements और sentences होते हैं जो हम खुद से और यूनिवर्स से कहते हैं उन चीजों को मांगते हुए जो हमें हमारी जिंदगी में चाहिए होती हैं, be it health, wealth, success, anything that you aspire for. That is why you call them affirmations, because we affirm to ourselves and to the universe. Basically, affirmations rewire your mind and put you in a very good and positive energy zone. Affirmations हमारे माइंड को ट्यून करते हैं, रिवायर करते हैं पॉजिटिव थॉट्स से, जिससे हमारी माइंड और बॉडी इन ट्यून आ जाते हैं. To achieve whatever we want, it's very important that our mind and body are in sync. When our mind and body are in tune with each other, we can put in the best of our effort to the best of our potential and automatically achieve whatever we want. Always say your affirmations in the present tense. It's very important to say them in the now. For example, I am happy. Not I will be happy or I want to be happy. Because when you put it in a tomorrow or in the past tense or in the future tense, you are pushing it ahead. Tomorrow, it will again be I will be happy tomorrow. So it's very important that your affirmations are as if they are happening right now. I always say my affirmations first thing in the morning before getting out of bed. आप भी यही कर सकते हैं. सुबह जैसे ही हम उठते हैं हमारा माइंड फ्रेश होता है and it's like a clean slate. It's very important to put in positive and happy thoughts that keep us motivated all through the day. आप ये ट्राई कर सकते हैं. सुबह जब आप उठते हैं तो आप कोई भी ऐसा म्यूजिक लगाएं जो आपको पसंद हो, जो आपको एक सूदिंग और कंफर्टेबल हैप्पी स्टेट ऑफ माइंड में लाए. फिर एक कंफर्टेबल पोजीशन में बैठे और फिर आपके एफर्मेशंस को आप रिपीट करें. मैंने पर्सनली पॉजिटिव एफर्मेशंस के पावर को एक्सपीरियंस किया है. इट हैज मेड मी अ मोर फोकस्ड एंड इवॉल्व्ड ह्यूमन बीइंग. Powerful affirmations really help you to be a successful human being. It's very important to change your inner dialogue with the help of positive affirmations and remove all the doubt or negativity that you have in your mind. अगर कोई ऐसी चीज है जो हमें सक्सेस अचीव करने से रोकती है तो वो है हमारे अपने नेगेटिव थॉट्स. As they say, everything starts and ends with thoughts. So it's very important to change your inner dialogue in order to succeed in whatever you want to achieve. लेकिन हाँ, एक बहुत फेमस सेइंग भी है that there are no free lunches. इसका मतलब ये है कि पॉजिटिव एफर्मेशंस के साथ साथ हमें उतना ही जेन्युइन और सिंसियर फिजिकल एफर्ट भी डालना जरूरी है ताकि हम अपने सपनों को पूरा कर सके. I have personally experienced the power of positive affirmations and they have really helped me evolve as a more productive and a more focused human being. मुझे इन affirmations ने really help किया है मेरा फोकस बढ़ाने में, concentration बढ़ाने में और हर उस चीज को अचीव करने की स्ट्रेंथ, इनर स्ट्रेंथ मुझे इन affirmations से मिली है. इसलिए मैं चाहती हूँ कि मेरे कुछ affirmations मैं आपके साथ शेयर करूँ ताकि आप भी इन्हें अपने लाइफ में ट्राई करके अपनी लाइफ को बेटर और प्रोडक्टिव बना सके. I do my morning affirmations in the morning before I get out of bed. I sit in a comfortable position and just put on some light music that soothes me and go ahead and say my positive affirmations with complete belief, faith and hope. The morning affirmations that I say are: I attract happiness, positivity and prosperity into my life. I attract happiness, positivity and prosperity into my life. I have the power to change my story. I have the power to change my story. I believe in myself and in my abilities. I believe in myself and in my abilities. I am enough. I am enough. I attract money, prosperity, health, and happiness. I attract money, prosperity, health, and happiness. I am a magnet for love and wealth. I am a magnet for love and wealth. I am able to find positivity in every situation. I am able to find positivity in every situation. आज हम सब एक बहुत मुश्किल और अनसर्टन दौर से गुजर रहे हैं. This pandemic has taken a physical, financial, mental toll on all of us in different walks of life. ऐसे difficult times में जब इतनी सारी anxiety है, इतनी सारी uncertainty है, हमारा peace of mind जैसे कहीं खो जाता है. We're always in search of peace and happiness. When I feel down in life or demotivated in life, I use certain affirmations for my peace of mind. I would love to share those affirmations with you. When I feel low in life or I feel disturbed in life, there are some affirmations which I use for my peace of mind, which are: I focus on things that I can control and make peace with things that I can't. I focus on things that I can control and make peace with things that I can't. I take things one step at a time. I take things one step at a time. I release all doubt and have faith. I release all doubt and have faith. I am peaceful and calm. I am peaceful and calm. I choose to have a peaceful day. When you choose a particular positive attribute, your mind automatically rewires itself to focus on it and hence achieve it, which is a very, very important quality we all must inculcate. Success हम सबको अपनी लाइफ में चाहिए होता है. हम मेहनत इसलिए करते हैं ताकि हम सक्सेसफुल रहें. तो अगर हम कुछ पॉजिटिव एफर्मेशंस के साथ अपने सक्सेस को अचीव करें तो it will really help us progress faster in life. So I would like to share with you some affirmations which are meant for success. The affirmations that I use for success are: I am an achiever. I am an achiever. I achieve everything that I put my mind into. I achieve everything that I put my mind into. I am strong and emotionally independent. I am strong and emotionally independent. Money and success come to me effortlessly. Money and success come to me effortlessly. I am open to all the wealth that life offers me. I am open to all the wealth that life offers me. My favorite bedtime affirmations are: I choose peace and harmony. I choose peace and harmony. I forgive it all. I forgive it all. Repeat your affirmations a handful of times till you fall asleep. It really helps. Always choose the affirmation that's closest to your current reality, जिसे आप relate कर सके. जो चीज़ आपको अपनी ज़िंदगी में चाहिए वैसा affirmation आप अपने लिए बनाएं और उसे दिल से पूरे होप के साथ रिपीट करें. Believe in the power of words. Say them slowly and feel the energy vibrate. It's very important to believe, have faith and hope that things are going to turn out to be positive and as you want them to be. लेकिन सबसे ज़्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंट है अपने आप में बिलीव करना. बिलीव इन योर सेल्फ. जितना आप सोचते हैं ना उससे आप कहीं गुना ज़्यादा स्ट्रांग है और इस चीज़ में पूरा भरोसा रखिए और देखिए आपके सपने हकीकत में ज़रूर बदलेंगे. You need to be more positive and trust and believe that you will achieve what you want, and the universe will definitely bless you with it. Once you get into the frame of mind of saying your positive affirmations every day, automatically positive thoughts flow in करते हैं और आपका mind tune हो जाता है to think positively, and hence the mind and body work in tandem to achieve whatever you want. ये जरूरी नहीं है कि आप बहुत सारे affirmations एक साथ बोलें. आप एक या दो affirmations से भी शुरू कर सकते हैं, which are most relevant to you, and later on slowly you can expand on them. Once you start enjoying the power of affirmations, you will yourself feel in a very happy and comfortable space when you say your affirmations. ये जरूरी नहीं है कि हम सुबह उठकर ही affirmations बोलें. Whenever you have the time, a minute or so is also enough. I generally say my affirmations when I have a little bit of free time. I just sit in a cozy corner and say a couple of affirmations which make me feel confident, in control and happy. अगर आपका कोई प्रोजेक्ट लाइंड अप है या फिर कोई इंपॉर्टेंट असाइनमेंट लाइंड अप है जिसके लिए आप बहुत होपफुल है, बस आधे मिनट के लिए अपनी आंखें बंद कीजिए एंड जस्ट अफर्म टू योरसेल्फ दैट आई एम अचीविंग दिस, आई एम सक्सेसफुल इन दिस असाइनमेंट, आई एम गेटिंग दिस जॉब, and then see the miracle happen. And yes, if affirmations have done wonders in your life, I would love to hear from you in the comment section of how it's changed your life. So guys, please like, share and subscribe, and once again, be with Prachi. On है, पता ही नहीं था, भूल गई अब. अरे यार, मैं सुबह वो जो बोलती हूँ मैं ही भूल गई. कट. अरे यार, मैं कट बहुत बेकार था.